been through the struggles, I've faced my fears. I've been broken and bruised, but I've wiped away my tears. I've learned to stand up tall, to face the unknown. I've discovered my inner voice, and it's whispering